My name is Hilda Espinal. I am CannonDesign's Chief Technology Officer. Just in the little bit of time that I've been in Canon, it feels like the right fit, and I'm super excited to be here. My first experience really diving into using technology for my designs was when I was in school. So I had a job as an intern in an architectural firm, and that's where I learned to do electronic drafting. I tried to bring that into school and use that in my designs, and believe it or not, we're talking about 1996, I practically got punished for doing that. The reason being is that a lot of the professors thought that it was a very easy hit button, kind of the easy button, and you weren't really doing the work that everybody else was doing. So I really kind of fought it. I stuck to it and I continued to do it, but I got oftentimes in studio the assignment of, well, you have to do this watercolor, or you have to do this perspective or this model, extra work that others didn't have to do because I was using the computer to deliver my designs. Today, the designers that are sought after are those that are able to actually do programming, to write their own code, to come up with ideas that are innovative and creative through the leveraging of the technologies. So while I'm here at Canon Design, this is an excellent opportunity to be at the strategic level of how we move forward as a firm, how we add value to our clients. So I want to place us at the forefront of how we leverage technology for the benefit of architecture. When I had my mindset in this is what I want to do, this is what I love, this is where I see bringing value, I wasn't necessarily searching to see, oh, how many women are in the field, but you know, you go to a technology event, conference, or symposium, and this is probably the only place in the world where you don't have to stand in line to go to the bathroom. And so that's interesting in terms of recognizing that we're a minority. But I didn't think about the odds being against me, I just did it. I do realize, though, after being in the field, that there are areas where we're not necessarily treated equally. We are usually at a disadvantage from our male counterparts in our pay, even if we're doing the exact same work. Because I've become increasingly aware of that in the recent years, I've now decided to get involved and do something to pay it forward. You know, I think what's really important, though, is that I'm working towards us being treated equally that way, and that's where I want to stop. I never want to use the gender card, and I never want us to do reverse discrimination either, because then that's just as bad, if not worse. What I do today is not something that you train for. It's pretty much being aware of where the potential is. I think that you need to embrace technology and make the best of it, but don't lose sight. I mean, I'm an architect first, I'm a technologist, I don't want to say second, but you know, shortly behind that. And the idea is that I am doing technology to be able to not just do architecture, but improve upon it because it has an impact in people and society. One of the things that I deliberately did in my career was take a year and travel and go visit different places in the world, but not to just be a tourist, but to explore, because we need to know things about culture and customs and religion and et cetera, to be able to serve our clients better and their very specific challenges and needs. So it's all about ultimately improving the ability that we have to improve on society through our buildings, through our work, and using technology to aid us get there quicker, better, faster. Yeah.